right, Greg, thanks so much. You know, from all the heated debates on your social media feeds to the passionate demonstrations in city streets across the country and even the deadly encounters with federal authorities, it can leave you feeling like there is no off switch when it comes to politics right now. You may be wondering, how can you stay engaged in the causes that you care about without being affected by all the turmoil? Well, Fox 13 News Southern Utah reporter Chris Reed sat down with some mental health experts to help you deal with all the turmoil.
How do you deal with your mental health as far as getting away from that barrage of tough stories in the last couple days?
You fly fish, you pay a lot of attention to what you're doing.
Yeah, it helps to tap into nature and kind of get away from.
The news of the last few days from Minneapolis and in the first month of 2026 could be trying on people's souls.
It's a Monday and I'm already seeing a lot of stress and overwhelm from a lot of my clients related to this.
Lindsay Cowdin is a therapist in Lehigh.
But it's not just the news itself is difficult for a lot of people to read. It's the constant exposure because of social media.
She's coached several people on how to cope with what they're seeing.
We need to be careful not going down that rabbit hole of doom scrolling, right? So taking it in moderation, setting up limits for ourselves, for our kids. Same thing. If we're seeing them withdraw, we're seeing they're more stressed, we're seeing that their frustration tolerance is going down. It might be time to check in with your kids and just see how they're doing too.
And maybe more vitamin D outdoors, like Jeff Lutz watching the birds in Sullivan Park.
It's been kind of a lifestyle for me the last 4 or 5 years where I just, I really stay off social media, especially because I know there's a lot of inciting points that, the media, who has a job to do, and they have stuff that they have to talk about every day. But I try not to, really focus on the day-to-day stuff.
In Washington City, Chris Reed, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Now, there are resources available if you need them. The Safe UT app has resources for you and your family free of charge 24/7. Just scan the QR code on your screen right now to get access to it. The app connects you with licensed counselors, and all conversations remain confidential. Still to come on Fox 13 News at 5, a rare natural phenomenon that's causing trees to explode. What's causing this to happen, and what you can do to protect your trees?